they will
पैरा 5.11 देख ले, एक बोल क्या रही है?
ठीक है,
नहीं, इनका रिटर्न देख लें सर।
नहीं, क्यों देख ले? आप आए कोर्ट में पहले प्लीज, आई हैव कम इन रिव्यू।
आपके स्टेटस को ये शोभा नहीं देता।
मतलब but ऐसा है ना,
आपका
स्टेटस की
status-
बात नहीं है सर, एज पर द डायरेक्शन जो भी होगा।
नहीं, एज पर डायरेक्शन कैसे होगा जब हर चीज
This
स्टैट्यूट
is-
से होनी है?
जी।
तो वेयर इज द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दैट हु विल कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द स्क्रीनिंग
As
कमेटी?
per the regulation of this purpose, ऐसा लिखा है।
तो कहाँ है वो रेगुलेशन? वही तो पूछना है
It
आपसे।
was never, sir, this was never challenged. All this was not challenged.
Forget about it now. Since you are in review, it is between you and me.
Sir, my submission to my lords are, there are two things. One is a screening committee. The composition is by the departmental officials. We have the selection committee in accordance with the statute. They are the nominees of the visitor, etc. The expert body, my lord.
उनका तो सब आया था ना पिछली बार कंडक्ट की, कैसे उन्होंने कंडक्ट किया अपने आप को।
जी जी, तो नहीं, इसमें दोनों को मिला दिया है इसने. That is what we are trying to do.
पूछ लेते हैं। यस, इनका कहना है कि स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी का सिर्फ पर्पस स्क्रीन करने तक था, एंड जो सिलेक्शन कमेटी है दैट विल हैव एन इंडिपेंडेंट सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस। पढ़िएगा।
This was not the, your lordship may kindly see annexure P4.
P4
Yeah, what is the selection process?
पहले हमें सुन ले पहले, फिर
एक इतना बिंदु सुन देख समझ लेते, नहीं आएगा आपको दोबारा सुनेंगे।
हाँ, क्योंकि इनका पैरा 11 5.11 देख ले,
Only say that they will
पैरा
continue.
5.11 देख ले, एक बोल क्या रही है?
ठीक है,
नहीं, इनका
इनका
रिटर्न देख लें सर।
नहीं, क्यों देख ले? आप आए कोर्ट में पहले प्लीज, आई हैव कम इन रिव्यू।
My lord, they have changed their entire stand. If your lordship is
आपके स्टेटस को ये शोभा नहीं देता।
मतलब but ऐसा है ना, स्टेटस की बात नहीं है सर, आई एम इन रिव्यू बिफोर माय लॉर्ड्स।
हाँ, इतना एजिटेट मत होइए, आपको सुनेंगे, आपको
एजिटेट नहीं हो रही सर।
सुने बगैर कुछ नहीं करेंगे,
जी।
ठीक है? हाँ, 5.11 चलिए पहले मैडम को सुनने दीजिए, आप लोग जाइए। लेट हर कंप्लीट फर्स्ट।
पैरा 5.11 my lords.
हाँ,
What the petitioner has to say.
जी।
The petitioner was shocked and surprised to see final select list P7, whereby the petitioner was deprived of getting appointment on the post of assistant professor. However, the aspirants who were less meritorious than the petitioner were appointed on the post of assistant professor in the Department of the Business Management. That the petitioner hereby marks and exhibits all the application forms annexure P8 submitted by so and so, and to show that the said aspirants were less meritorious than the petitioner and were given less marks. Now, this is important, my lords. Given less marks in the academic performance score sheet 1+2 of selection process. Please, selection process, she says, than the petitioner. However, the reasons best known to the authorities only on a basis of the interview process, the said candidates were appointed, thereby depriving the petitioner from the legitimate claim of being appointed as a regular employee of assistant professor in the Department of Management. At this juncture, it would be important to state here that the petitioner has secured, this is important, has secured the highest marks and was kept in the merit list in the first two level 1+2 of assessment, which constitutes, now important, 80% of the overall selection process. Even assuming the same but not admitting, if the petitioner was granted no marks in the interview performance 3, then the petitioner could have been appointed for the post in question, as the petitioner has scored the requisite benchmark in the first two level scoring criteria in the selection process, my lord.
Please.
This is number one. Number two, my lords,
Ji.
let's have a look, my lord, at the rejoinder RJ2.
जी,
RJ2, my lords. I'm only their documents, my lords.
जी,
We come to RJ2, which is at page 1616, sir.
RJ2
Right? Now,
Just a
these are what? Am I there with my lords? Please
RJ2
suggest
REJ2
RJ rejoinder के साथ है. REJ है, right?
REJ2
Yes. Now, what is at page 1616, my lords?
yes.
Is a summary. Suggestive, there's a suggestive guidelines to shortlist applicants
जी,
or for interview for the position of assistant professor in the university.
yes.
All right, my lords? I wouldn't be reading the whole of the particular introduction, but the last line of that introduction, the final marks obtained, am I there with my lords? The in that
Yes,
particular
yes,
para
yes,
one,
yes, yes.
by the candidates will be used to rank them for shortlisting,
Okay.
right? Now,
Yes.
the next, my lord, she has in fact given the complete chart, which she has given in the writ petition she has given, the summary. She gives the summary, my lords,
जी,
which is at page,
just a minute. ऊपर से हेडलाइन पढ़िएगा,
summary.
suggestive guidelines to shortlist applicants
Hmm.
for interview for positions of.
Right.
So now first stage is that you will follow these guidelines,
Ji.
and thereafter following these guidelines,
जी.
all those who are shortlisted will be subjected to interview,
Mhm.
and as per the marks of the interview, you will prepare a merit list.
That we come to that later.
जी.
But what her contention was, my lords,
जी.
that this is insofar as shortlisting में जिसको mark मिला 29.5, she says she scored the highest. So what she says is she is the meritorious. This is regarding what? Shortlisting. By whom? By the department,
Yes.
not by a selection
हाँ, ठीक है.
committee, but by a screening
But
committee.
as per the guidelines issued by the competent authority,
For shortlisting. Very
shortlisting,
right.
yes.
So what I'm saying is a shortlisting is the first stage, that is filtering, my lords.
Right.
From out of 144, 39 candidates.
Yes.
Right, my lords? Now, may I take, my lords, at page 31 of the writ petition. I'm sorry to take this without it because that's how it's been filed. This is summary of shortlisted candidates for assistant professor. She's come, the entire chart she has filed it, my lords. Right, sir?
You are
Very, very
referring to-
clear.
Referring to annexure?
And this is annexure, page 31, annexure is. Annexure there, sir. ये एक्ट का जो रूल्स एक्ट जो है उसके बाद it is 5 P5 I stand correct P5 sir
जी.
right so इसमें अपन का पेज 31 में आ जाए सर
जी. जी.
so we see that my lords summary of the shortlisted candidates for
जी.
assistant professor
जी.
total candidates 39
जी.
right sir now her name of course comes at page she's put everybody sir and her name comes my lord at page 35
जी.
wherein she says that she gets how much total marks API's index is 29.5
Yes.
right sir this is what she states now
जी.
before I go to the another component becomes this is the first component is a screening
जी.
shortlisting
जी.
right shortlisting the composition of shortlisting by a screening committee is not at par with the selection committee composition as per the statute.
हाँ, ठीक
I'll
है,
come to that
ठीक
later.
है.
Now, we have a selection procedure which is at page 28 of the
Annexure.
writ petition 6.0.1.
Annexure?
That would be same annexure,
Huh?
P4.
P4, yes.
Right, sir?
6 point?
6.0.1.
हाँ, पता है.
Right. The overall selection procedure shall incorporate transparent, objective, and credible methodology of analysis of the merits and credentials of the applicants based on the weightages given to the performance of the candidate in different relevant dimensions and in his or her performance on a scoring system pro forma based on the academic performance indicator API as provided these regulations in table 1 to so and so of appendix 3. Now, let's have a look at Appendix 3, which is next
नहीं,
page
पहले-
29.
Before coming to that, please complete it. 6.01 in order to make the system more credible.
Right. In order to make the system more credible, universities may assess the ability for teaching and or research aptitude through a seminar or lecture in a classroom situation or a discussion on a capacity to use latest technology in teaching and research at the interview stage. These procedures can be followed both for direct recruitment and caste promotions, wherever selection committees are prescribed in these. What the selection committee is required to do, right, sir?
जी.
Now, we come to Appendix 3, which is next page, my lords. Right, my lords?
Just
The
some-
chart which indicates first is,
Yes.
the first says about the minimum API scores,
Yes.
right, my lords?
Yes.
The first is the assistant professor / equivalent cadres.
जी.
We do not have any API for them, sir. When we come to the associate professor or equivalent cadre stage 4, you have a consolidated API score requirement of so and so. When we come to the professor, you have other, right, sir?
Yes.
Now, this is important. Next column goes for selection committee,
जी.
right? Now, selection committee criteria, weightage, total weightage is 100. So the entire weightage is not with any committee other than the selection committee. This I want to clarify.
जी.
Either 20, 30, 40, whatever you must have got under the screening committee
जी.
does not become a part and a parcel of the selection committee at all. Now, what she tried to bring into this court is 29 form and the highest meritorious, and even if the interviews are discarded or not given, yet I am on the top.
Just
My
a
submission
minute,
is,
just a minute. When you say that selection committee criteria is different from the screening criteria,
uh-huh,
then the first two heads, A and B, are academic record and research performance for which there is a weightage of 50%.
right,
And then there is assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills 30%.
right,
Now, the selection interview performance is only 20%.
right.
Now, the first two things have been included by the screening committee and they have given a scorecard to different persons.
My submission to my lords would be, my lords, that may not, this is the job of the selection committee. My submission is.
Please,
Now I
show
leave
me-
it to my.
please show me. I will
No, it
agree
is
with
there.
you. No, no,
Let's-
I've understood.
Right.
Please, now please show me that selection committee had given marks for the academic record and research performance.
We,
No, please, you are bound to show that
affidavit. No,
because,
we gave an affidavit, sir.
no, affidavit is not sufficient.
No.
We had
My lords
discussed,
had
this
told
court,
us.
this court had discussed the complete proceedings of the selection committee and given the names of the persons so that they may not be called for the selection in next time because they had messed up with the whole issue, saying that now show me that they had followed these three criteria to award marks to different candidates and then a merit list was prepared.
My lord,
Show
my
me that.
submission, my submission to that, my answer to that would be, my lord did put a query and a direction to that effect, to which we answer to an IA 3537, an IA which was of the registrar, an affidavit
35,
on 3537, sir.
3527 to hai,
3537 was an application for taking the affidavit of officer in charge of the registrar.
3537.
3537.
Petition के साथ ही फाइल हुआ था ना?
जी, WP में था, 11th मार्च को फाइल हुआ है, 24 में.
At serial number 20 manus of the index. of
20,
LC.
okay. Yes. क्या डॉक्यूमेंट है ये रिकॉर्ड?
ये एक affidavit आपने फाइल किया था, because there was a direction of.
क्या एफिडेविट?
Can I, my lords?
जी.
Yes. Can I straight away come, whatever that is on record, my lords?
जी.
We come at page 4, my lords.
जी.
I'm sorry. We come at para 3, my lords, at
Yes.
page 1 of the affidavit,
Yes.
please. The deponent submits that the petitioner applied for,
Para 3 says in view of aforesaid.
the deponent that the petitioner applied for the post,
No, para
Satya
3
Prakash.
this is an affidavit filed by
There was an
application
application.
for taking affidavit of
We come to
in-charge
the
registrar.
affidavit, please. We come to
अच्छा,
the
come to
affidavit,
page
please,
2,
page
para
3.
3, yes.
As the
Deponent sub-
deponent submits that the petitioner applied for the post of assistant professor under the OBC category in the Department of the Business Management of the university against the advertisement 30/10/20. 10. As per then governing provisions, that is University Grants Commission, minimum so-and-so, regulations 2010 were in force. As per Appendix 3, Table 2C of the UGC regulations 2010, the selection committee criteria weightage, total weightage was 100 for the assistant professor is as follows, which I just read, my lords.
Yes.
A, academic 50, assessment domain 30, interview performance 20. Copy of the appendix, which I just read, my lord, is a document which is A. Right, my lords? Now, in view of the aforesaid, it is to be seen that the claim of the petitioner is solely based on the marks awarded by the screening committee. The screening committee has awarded marks as per the guidelines issued by the university only for shortlisting the candidates. It has nothing to do with the merit for selection. Then there were 39, thereafter scrutiny of application form 39 candidates shortlisted by the screening committee for appearing in the interview by a duly constituted committee comprising of the dean of the school and 3 senior professors of the university. Total 39 candidates, including petitioner, were called for the interview on 3/4/13 at so-and-so. The deponent humbly submits that the selection committee, consisting of then Vice Chancellor as chairman, 3 subject experts, visitor nominee and other nominee, on a basis of the academic record, experience.
Where is that chart?
of the
Where,
candidates.
I have understood. Where is that chart prepared by your?
That was not, we have said so in our affidavit, my lords. We come straight away at page 5, my
So
lords.
can a committee prepare make a recommendation without following those 3 steps?
We did say that, my lord. We did say, my lord, at page 5.
No, it's merely saying
deponent
that is
submits-
not sufficient. That means that the committee which was constituted
Right.
jumbled up with everything. They did not follow the
Let's-
procedure and they did not award marks on those 3 parameters as have been read over by you.
Right. But we are in a review before, my lords, my lords.
Therefore, the scope of review is very limited.
That's what I'm coming to, where the error lies in the parent. That's how I've come before, my lords.
जी.
So this document only to indicate that. Now, this being the position, my lord, and insofar as, my lord, along with this application, would my lord have a perusal with the review petition, my lords? Would my lord have a perusal of certain documents which are very much there, but then making it further, just on certain things before I come to the order, that 3 paras which needs to be only read, my lords, where the error apparent comes in. My lord, A2 at page 33, along with my review petition, please.
A2, yes.
Yes,
Page 33.
right, my lord.
Yes.
Is the ordinance 11, my lord, which has been filed.
जी.
Right, my lords? I come to 3, clause
जी.
3. The chairman, convener shall issue to each member of the selection committee a notice not less than 10 days before the meeting, stating the time and venue of the meeting. Meeting of the selection committee shall be fixed after prior consultation with and subject to the convenience of the visitor's nominee and of the experts nominee
How
by
we are
the
concerned with
executive.
this? How we
Beg
are
your pardon?
concerned? How we are concerned with this?
I'll come to that, my lord. I'll come to that. Next, there are two different compositions. This is what I'm trying to bring it out. We come to 8, my lord, at the same page.
जी,
The university will have the right to restrict the number of candidates to be called for interview based on the recommendations of the screening committee constituted as per the regulation for this purpose to a reasonable number on the basis of the qualifications and experience higher than the minimum prescribed or for any other condition that it may deem fit.
जी,
We come next page at 18 clause. Number of the posts advertised may be treated as tentative. The university shall have to increase or decrease the number. Now, we come to next document, which is a second schedule, the statute of the university. We come at page 37
37 of election.
of the statute itself, well, second schedule.
Connection
A3,
Yes.
which is at page 36.
Yes.
I come to 37, I come to set 18,
Yes.
selection committees.
जी,
There shall be a selection committee for making the recommendation to the executive council for appointment to the post of so-and-so, assistant professors and others. Number 2 at page 38, clause 2, the selection committee for appointment to the post specified in column 1 of the table below shall consist of the vice chancellor, a nominee of the visitor, and the person specified. So that is assistant professor at item number 2. This is what I was wanting to show. Now, when we come to my lord's order,
जी,
please bear with me, and if I can just take to the relevant portions, my lords, as we have stated so in R. One thing we wanted to stress and emphasize is the two committees, that is, the screening committee is not at par with the selection committee, and neither the screening committee can in any way dominate the selection committee, which is under a statute.
जी.
The composition being different, whatever marks or
So
scores
what is the
which were allotted.
What is the composition of the screening committee in the statute? What is the
This
prescription?
is what
for-
I just read out, sir.
नहीं, 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 that is selection committee.
No,
Now
no,
please
even
show screening committee का क्या composition
ये
होगा?
इसमें लिखा है 8 में लिखा है,
Eight.
ऑर्डिनेंस 11 में,
हाँ, 8 में
पेज 8 to page 33 में.
8 में
The
क्या लिखा है?
university will have a right to restrict the number of the
No,
candidates
that is something different.
based on the
Question is that,
screening committee.
हाँ, page 37,
33,
30,
37, madam. 37, my lord, is, we come 18 is selection committee.
selection committee. And where is the provision for screening committee?
This is in ordinance में 11 में,
हाँ, 11 में कहाँ है पढ़िए ना?
composition का.
नहीं, नहीं, composition of
ये
screening
वो
committee.
कहीं मेंशन नहीं है, उसपे इतना ही लिखा है कि reasonable, that is, it is as per the direction जो भी होगा.
नहीं, नहीं, as per direction कैसे होगा जब हर चीज
This
statute
is-
से होनी है?
जी.
So where is the prescription that who will constitute the screening
As
committee?
per the regulation of this purpose, ऐसा
हाँ,
लिखा है.
तो कहाँ है वो regulation? वही तो पूछना है
It
आपसे.
was never, sir, this was never challenged. All this was not challenged.
Say, forget about it. Now, since you are in review, it is between you and me.
Sir, review
So I
is
have a
which
right. I
component?
have a right to know.
No, review in which component, sir?
Huh? That
Review जो हम जो आए हैं, किस अंदर में आए
नहीं,
हैं?
नहीं,
Let's come to the orders.
जी, नहीं, when you are saying that the selection committee and the screening committee are two different components,
Yes.
then show me from the statute that what will be the composition of the
इसमें नहीं है.
screening committee.
नहीं, statute में नहीं है.
Statute में नहीं है.
जहाँ तक ये हमने, I was not able to place my
ये
hands on.
statement हम record करेंगे कि statute में screening committee का constitution
For
composition नहीं है.
the screening
हाँ,
committee,
screening committee की
shortlisting के लिए, इसमें लिखा ही हुआ है ordinance 11 में.
क्या लिखा है?
The university will have the right to restrict
नहीं,
the
नहीं,
number.
नहीं, that is something different.
नहीं, नहीं.
That does
Call
not.
for interview based on the recommendation of the screening committee constituted as per the regulations.
So as
Not
per
this
the
purpose,
regulations,
होगा कुछ.
उसको regulations में होगा ना
हाँ,
composition.
regulations for this purpose, not
तो
in
कहाँ है?
this.
Where are those regulations?
It's not on record. No, that's not on record.
तो ले आइए उसको रिकॉर्ड पर ले आइए फिर सुनेंगे.
Well, दूसरा निवेदन ये है सर.
नहीं, इसको रिकॉर्ड पे
Perfect.
ले आइए, एक बार में सुनेंगे ना. लिखिएगा. Let
Regulations for-
regulations which deals with constitution of the screening committee as provided in ordinance 11 comma enclosed along with annexure A2 of the along with the review petition as annexure A2 be brought on record
So different.
because the main thrust of argument put forth by Srimati Shobha Menon, senior advocate, is to the effect that firstly, there is no provision for calculating API for the appointment to the post of assistant professor. That is only meant for associate professor and professor. Secondly, it is submitted that the marks granted by the screening committee have a score granted by the screening committee has no bearing on the selection committee, and selection committee being totally different will not have any impact on the will not be impacted by the findings of the screening committee. Full stop. However,
In pursuance to this, in pursuance to 8 आ जाए sir, A2 में जो है.
8
जो
तो
लिख-
देखेंगे
हाँ।
देखेंगे उसको 8 अभी की जरूरत नहीं है. Full stop.
A2 regulations के बारे में से
एक second. Reference is also made to annexure annexure P4, which in clause 6.0.1 provides that the overall selection procedure shall incorporate transparent, objective and credible methodology of analysis of the merits and credentials of the applicants based on weightages given to the performance of the candidate in different relevant dimensions and his her performance on a scoring system based on the academic performance indicators API as provided in this regulations in table 1 to 11 of appendix 3. Next pair. Srimati Shobha Menon pointing to appendix 3 table dash Roman 2 within bracket small c submits that there is no provision for API and only minimum qualification as stipulated in the regulations is to be seen for the post of assistant professor. Full stop. Thereafter, selection committee comes into scene and comes on the scene and comes into the scene, and it is provided that selection committee will judge a candidate on the weightage of total 100 points, out of which 50% will be for within bracket small a academic record and research performance. B within bracket assess 30% for assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills, and C bracket में interview performance 20%. Thus, it is submitted that selection committee being independent of the screening committee has to give marks on the aforesaid 3 criteria independently, and it cannot be assisted or guided by the screening committee.
Right.
Next para. Reference is also made to annexure REJ2 filed by the petitioner along with the rejoinder
Nice. देखो page
and reading the last line of introduction, it is pointed out that the final marks obtained by the candidates will be used to rank them for shortlisting. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that the said criteria was meant only for shortlisting. Next para. However, for the present, to keep the record straight, when complete part of this annexure REJ2 is read, then it titles within inverted commas suggestive guidelines to shortlist applicants for interview for positions of assistant professor in the university. Full stop. Inverted commas close. Next para. Introduction provides that applications submitted by candidates who do not satisfy minimum eligibility criteria as advertised shall be rejected. Full stop. NET/SLET is a prerequisite for appointment as assistant professor. Full stop. However, exemption from NET/SLET shall be granted as per UGC norms. Full stop. Marks will be allotted to each of the otherwise eligible candidates using the following guidelines. Full stop. The final marks obtained by the candidates will be used to rank them for shortlisting, full stop. Next para. Thereafter, it is provided that how academic career is to be classified in 3 categories, and then marks are to be allotted for each category. Then para 3 deals with the marks for teaching experience, etc. and parameters for that, how many marks are to be given for which level of teaching is mentioned. Then para 4 deals with computation of marks for research experience. Para 5 in regard to guiding research, and para 6 for projects. Para 7 for research publications including reviews, and para 8 for books in the relevant subjects, comma, para 9 for inventions oblique discoveries, and 10 for awards oblique fellowships. Thus, a complete criteria is provided in REJ2 to point out that how assessment is to be made for shortlisting a candidate, full stop. When this is taken into consideration with Appendix 3 enclosed with Annexure P4, then it is evident that 50% weightage is to the academic record and research performance, which is to be adjudged in terms of the parameters provided in REJ2. Similarly, 30% weightage is for assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills, for which again the criteria is mentioned therein, and therefore once the criteria is already prescribed, and as the heading of REJ2 suggests that only selection committee was required to assess the performance by taking the interview, comma, for the present, to facilitate the petitioner to file copy of the regulations showing the criteria for constitution of screening committee. Case is adjourned. List कब ले आएंगे आप?
A week's time, my lords.
10 days time is granted to do the needful list thereafter.
Read
Lord,
your-
a month's time was given to prepare the select list afresh. Lord, more than 1 month has already elapsed.
You
Now the
file
univers-
contempt. You file contempt.
University, even the division bench has not started the selection process.
नहीं.
It has only continued, my lord, the appointment of those persons, my lord, whose appointment was set aside.
हाँ.
Now, despite that, university is not doing it. The only intention of the
You file-
university,
You file contempt. You have a remedy to file contempt. Should I suggest?
no, suggestion is not
बस
required, my
ठीक
lord,
है.
but normally the
You
court
file.
doesn't,
You file it.
court doesn't proceed, my lord, in case review is filed or WA is filed.
But there is no stay in the review petition.
But this point has already been considered by your lordship. Elaborately, my lord, the
ठीक-
matter was argued at length,
ठीक है,
it was
if
argued
they
for
want to gain some time, ठीक है, देखते ना, 10 दिन बाद देख लेंगे इसको.
some date maybe.
हाँ, चलिए, डेट ले लीजिए 30 मई 2024,
Oblige, my lords.
top of the list.
Oblige, my lords.
Documents, relevant regulations be filed. Complete set of the relevant regulations be filed, including that of Constitution of Selection Committee, etc. by 27th.
Screening committee, my lords.
Screening committee as well as selection committee by
Selecting
27th,
those chapters.
27th May with an advance copy to the
Statutory
opposite
section.
party council. चलिए.
So complete regulations.
Complete regulations. सिर्फ में रिट पिटीशन का रिकॉर्ड भी आ जाएगा सो दैट
वो तो
इनकन्वीनियंस
है ना, सब है ना यहाँ पर, इसमें
तो कोई
सब
दिक्कत नहीं होगा
uploaded
फिजिकल
तो
के
है।
लिए कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं होगा सर
तो सब चीज कंप्यूटर से हो रही है.
वो तो फैक्ट
हाँ।
आई एम जस्ट आई मीन सो देयर इज नो इनकन्वीनियंस टू माय लॉर्ड्स
अब तो एब्यूज भी जो है वर्चुअल हो गया है, फिजिकल खत्म हो गया है.
अ टाइम वुड कम अपने ऑफिस से विल बी
जी,
आर्ग्यूइंग द
जी,
मैटर
जी।
सो ग्रेटली ऑब्लाइज माय लॉर्ड्स
Item number 9.